Hi, my name is Kodi Nix, and this is my third video assignment for Math 1000 and Challenge 2016. For A, I'm going to give a chain rule for the composition of three functions, f at g at h. If f is differentiable at A, give a formula, for the derivative of f at g at h evaluated at A. So basically what I'm going to do here is do a derivative, d over d dx, and I'm going to have it take a derivative of f of g of h of a. That's what I'm going to have it do. But basically that is going to be f prime of g of h of a. Yeah, f prime of g of h of a. I'm trying to make sure I had enough parentheses. Times g prime of h of a times h prime of a. And that's going to be my formula. That is basically what we're doing. You have to do power rule and chain rule. And my example is going to be dx of sine of the natural log of x squared. And the derivative of this is going to be cosine of natural log of x squared, chain rule, times, just didn't write that right, 1 over x squared times 2x. And that is going to be my formula for chain rule. Now next I'm going to be applying my rule to the derivative of e to the sine of the square root of x. Now here's my first derivative, my second derivative, and my third. Now here's what I'm going to want to do. The derivative of e is just e. So we're going to have, the first one's going to be e to the sine of the square root of x. And then we're going to have the second one, which is cosine square root of x. And then the next one is going to be 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. Or you could write it like this. 1 over 2 times the square root of x. And that's the derivative. Well, you can go either here or there, as I said, but that's the derivative. And now for number 3, I'm going to find the 2 points, the curve. I'm going to write the curve out for you. Well, the function for the curve, where the curve x squared plus xy plus y squared equals 7. And I'm going to find out where that crosses the x-axis and shows the tangents to the curve at these points that are parallel. What is the common slopes of these two tangents? It has a, b, and c parts. So first, I'm going to set this all equal to 0. I'm going to set all the y's equal to 0 because that's where it's going to cross the x-axis. We have x squared plus x times 0 plus 0 squared equals 7. And basically that just has x squared equals 7. So the square root of x is equal to 7 plus or minus, why did I write 0? Equal to plus, it's going to be equal to 7, but it's going to be plus or minus the square root of x. So it's going to be 0 negative, I wrote that backwards. I'm so sorry. Today's just not my day. Negative square root of 7, comma 0, or just the square root of 7, comma 0. And this is our x-intercepts. -7, negative square root of 7, and regular 7. Negative square root of 7. Now I'm going to take the derivative of all this. And basically what I'm going to be doing is implicit differentiation. So, dy over dx of x squared plus xy plus y squared is equal to 7. Now, when we come to all down here, we're going to be trying to solve for dy dx. So, we have 2x plus v du plus u dv, which is chain rule. So, v du, so y plus x dy dx plus 2y dy dx is equal to 0. Derivative of a constant is always 0. Now we're going to try to get all the dy dx's on the side by themselves. So we're going to move this term to the side with the 0. So we're going to have x dy dx plus 2y dy dx is equal to negative 2x minus y. Now I'm going to take out the dy dx. And I'm going to have x plus 2y is equal to negative 2x minus y. Now I'm going to divide both sides by x minus 2 and have dy dx is equal to negative 2x minus y over x plus 2y. And that's the derivative. Now I can find the slope using my derivative formula by putting in the points. So we have negative 2 minus square root of 7 minus 0 all over square root of 7, well, the negative square root of 7 plus 2 times 0. And that is equal to 2 times the square root of 7 over negative square root of 7. And that's it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed my video.